Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about the laws of logarithms. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have this formula in here. So in this situation, this one that is about A multiplied by B. So we will have about this one. So this one that is about this one. So in this situation, we can put like this. Next, the square root that is about x minus 1 to the power of 1 over 2. Now we can apply this formula in here. So we have 8 to the power of b, similar for this one. And now we have like this. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.